Hello everyone and welcome to another new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use dark mode in Notion app, and that's pretty easy. So simply open your Notion app and scroll it down to go to your setting option, and in here you can see option appearance, and in the right side you can see this option. Simply tap on here. So here you can see two options, light and dark, and if you want to turn on light option, simply tap on light, and if you want to turn on dark option, simply tap on dark mode option. And there's the manual process how you can turn on dark mode option in your Notion app. And there is a shortcut process, and the process is simply tap on Ctrl Shift and L. You can turn on dark mode or you can turn on light mode anytime. And there's a process, and hope this video find to help you. If this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks.